Hello everyone. The honey badger, or Mellivora copensis, is a small mammal with an outsized reputation for fearlessness and tenacity. Found across Africa, Southwest Asia, and the Indian subcontinent, this creature has captured global attention, often dubbed the world's most fearless animal by sources like the Guinness Book of World Records. Despite its modest size, 2 to 3 feet long and weighing 11 to 35 pounds, the honey badger is a powerhouse, built with a stocky body, short legs, and thick, loose skin that resists bites, stings, and even sharp objects like porcupine quills. Its sharp claws and powerful jaws further cement its status as a formidable force in the wild. As a member of the Mustelidae family, alongside weasels, otters, and wolverines, the honey badger stands out for its solitary nature and relentless boldness. Known for taking on opponents far larger than itself, including lions, hyenas, and venomous snakes, the honey badger's aggression is driven by territorial instincts and an unyielding will to survive. It rarely backs down, using agility and cunning to outmaneuver threats. Remarkably, it can withstand venomous snake bites from cobras or puff adders, sometimes collapsing briefly before recovering to fight or flee. This resilience is a testament to its physiological adaptations and sheer determination. True to its name, the honey badger loves honey, fearlessly raiding beehives while shrugging off swarms of stinging bees to feast on honey and larvae. Yet its diet is diverse, encompassing small mammals, birds, reptiles, insects, roots, and fruits. With sharp claws for digging and a keen sense of smell, it tracks prey or scavenges kills from other predators, thriving in habitats from deserts to forests. Its opportunistic feeding habits highlight its adaptability in challenging environments. Primarily solitary, honey badgers maintain individual territories, with males claiming larger ranges than females. Encounters are rare outside mating season and can be aggressive due to their fiercely independent nature. However, they occasionally form partnerships, such as with the greater honey-guide bird, which leads them to beehives for mutual benefit. This symbiotic relationship showcases the honey badger's intelligence and willingness to cooperate when it serves its interests. Beyond physical prowess, honey badgers are remarkably clever, displaying problem-solving skills in the wild and captivity. They use their environment strategically, standing on hind legs for better views or digging burrows to trap prey. In zoos, they've gained notoriety as escape artists, stacking objects, manipulating locks, or digging under fences to break free. These behaviors underline their persistence and mental acuity, making them both a marvel and a challenge to study. While not currently endangered, honey badgers face threats from habitat loss due to agriculture and urbanization, as well as persecution by beekeepers and farmers who view them as pests.